Hey guys, my name is Andrea. I'm a BMW genius here at Passport BMW, and today we're going to go over the Parking Assistance Professional Package. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you press your Parking Assistance button, and then you're going to locate the space you want to park in. You'll approach the space as closely as you can on either the left or right side, whichever side the space is on, and you'll completely pass the space with your car. The vehicle will not register a space until enough of your car has passed it. So once you hear the chime, you'll select your parking maneuver, take your foot off the brake, and now we're done. And now the car is in park. I don't have to put it in park myself. I could just hop out of the car and go about my day.